publish your app, simply click Publish in the upper right, then change app visibility to public, no login, then click Publish App. And just like that, you'll get a confirmation saying your app is published and live online. If we copy this URL, open a new tab and paste it in, we're taken right to our beautiful new app, live on the internet and ready to share. But if you're going to share this with real users, you'll probably want your own domain. This domain is kind of ugly, but since we're on the builder plan, we can get a custom domain really easily. Back in the Base44 editor, we're still using this temporary name, Cinematch, for our app, so let's see if we can find a .com for that. We'll click Publish in the upper right, then click Get Domain. It loads the temporary domain in the search field. We'll replace that with Cinematch and click Search. That's not available. That's okay, our app is still young, we have time to change our name if we want. Let's try something else, like plotpair.com, and it's available. It's $1 for the first year. Let's claim it. This will route us to Ionos, where we can add it to our cart, and click Continue, then simply follow the checkout flow to claim the domain. After completing that, when you return to your app in Base44, if you click the Publish button, you'll see that instead of your temporary domain, you've now got your custom domain loaded in, and the next time you publish your app, it'll be pushed to your custom domain. However, we just changed the name of our app, so let's update that first. We'll simply ask the AI, please update the name Cinematch to PlotPair everywhere that Cinematch appears. After a minute, the name's been changed. We can click Publish, copy the custom domain, and then when we visit the new domain, we might see a DNS error. Don't worry, you didn't do anything wrong. DNS changes can take a few minutes to propagate, sometimes up to an hour, so don't panic if it doesn't work immediately. Eventually it'll load, and just like that, you've got a real app on a real domain. This is not a demo anymore. Now anyone in the world can open this right now. Use the link on screen or click the first link in the description below to start vibe coding for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.